Alright guys, I want to show you the anatomy of what a perfect retracement trade looks like. This is a live trading setup from today. This particular setup showed up right before I stepped out for lunch, so I kind of lucked out when I caught this one. And let me try to walk you through my thought process, okay? So first, you can see that the S&P just plunged today. Alright, just completely plunged. This was 2 days in a row of a significant sell-off. And whenever that happens, I mean, I hate to say this, man, but I'm always tempted to try to catch that bottom, especially if I've already made a boatload of ticks catching the sell-off, right? So now I want to play it on the other way. I want to play it as it goes back up. You understand? So right here, a little bit earlier in the session, this volume indicator turned green right here. All right, and then it took off, establishing some upward momentum. Now, you guys know I don't like to chase it, and neither should you. Instead, what we look for is this exact pullback to the exact tick. Okay, do you see why this is a much better setup, right? Waiting for the pullback as opposed to just taking the color change? Because on the color change, you don't really get a good fill. You get kind of an aggressive fill. And I guess maybe if you're an aggressive trader, you might like that, but I'm not an aggressive trader. I am a conservative trader, all right? And that's why I like to wait for these nice, deep, beautiful textbook retracements that took place today. Okay, so let me dial you in a little bit further here. Let's really take a look at this. I actually have a question for you guys. Like, I want to know, what should I do? You guys can give me your opinion. So on this bar right here, all right, this bar right here, this is the signal bar, right? The long entry would potentially go on the open of the next bar if that's how you choose to play it, and your stop loss goes 1 or 2 ticks underneath the signal bar's low. Now I got a question for you, man. If it were you, would you bail on this trade right now, right? Because right now it looks like I'm up about 71 ticks or so, but I'm hoping that it can go to at least 4,000 on the S&P, so another 80 ticks. Then again, we only have about half hour to an hour left in the market session, and it's a Friday, right? So yeah, I want to know what you guys would do if you were me, man. If this was the trade that you had put on today and you caught this beautiful retracement and you're sitting on 71 or 75 or 80 ticks or whatever the case is, would you bail on it right now? Or would you be a greedy savage like me and hope that the thing, you know, goes up here in the next, let's call it 90 minutes, right? These are the challenges that we face every day, man, right? As professional speculators and professional traders in the market, these are the decisions that you have to make. And you got to get good at it, and you got to make these decisions fast, right? But yeah, man, what else can I say? Just a beautiful, beautiful retracement trade from today. Nailing the exact reversal, basically caught the exact low, and I'm always in a good mood when this happens. All right, so again, congrats on all you guys who had a fantastic week with this fall indicator. I think I posted 3 videos this week, and it was blatantly obvious that these retracement patterns showed up almost every single day this week on pretty much every single symbol that you guys and gals trade. What a week. Hope all you guys and gals crushed it out there, and I can't wait to see what this market's going to do for us in the next trading session. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.